Operation video of medical ventilator. Preparation of turn on the device. Please carefully check whether the ventilator power cord, humidifier power cord, oxygen source connection are okay. Please carefully check whether the breathing tube and humidifier tank connection are okay. Turn on the device. Before applying the device to the patient, it is necessary to perform a self-test and a circuit check to ensure that the device functions properly. Press and hold the power button to turn on the device. Click System Check after entering the interface. Click System Check in the upper right corner of the screen. Install the pipeline according to the method described. Connect the high-pressure oxygen source. Connect the pipeline and sensor. Connect the flow sensor to the test plug. Click Continue after the connection to perform the system test and wait for the test results. All green showed means the test has passed. Zero calibration of pressure and flow. Click Settings, Sensor, Zero calibration. Pressure and flow. Flow sensor selected to test. Plug in the lower right corner of the screen. The screen shows that the zero calibration is successful. Calibration of oxygen sensor. Click Settings, Sensors, Calibration, 02. Hold the mask to the air for about 2 minutes. Shows that calibration passes airway resistance calibration. Resistance. Hold the mask to the air for about 20 seconds. Shows calibration success. Oxygen detection off. Click Settings, Sensors, Settings, turn off oxygen monitoring function. Operation. This chapter introduces how to select ventilation mode and other settings. How to adjust ventilation parameters and alarm limits. This series can select non-invasive mode and oxygen therapy mode for non-invasive patients. This series is 18.5-inch ultra-high definition and display and with shuttle touch screen. Click Ventilation Non-Invasive Mode. This series can set new patients or patients in prescriptions. Patient types are adults or children. You can set height or ideal weight according to the patient's condition. Select the ventilation setting menu. Click the corresponding ventilation mode in the menu bar. This series has a total of 5 non-invasive ventilation modes. PCV, pressure-controlled ventilation. CPAP, continuous positive airway pressure. ST, spontaneous timed. VS, volume support. PPS, proportional pressure support. You can adjust the corresponding parameters after confirming the mode. After clicking the blue font, Start Ventilation, at the bottom of the interface, select Mask and select Exhalation port will appear. Mask options include full face mask, nasal pillow, and others. When selecting an exhalation port, you can choose a disposable exhalation port, a silent valve, a platform valve, and other exhalation ports. Platform valves and others need to be tested. This series has freeze, screenshot, and video recording functions. When complex waveforms appear, you can take a screenshot or record a video with one click. Information viewing is comprehensive and intuitive, and difficult and complicated problems can be dealt with calmly. Export screenshots and insert AFAT32 format USB flash drive. Click Settings, Export. Export historical screenshots and videos. In standby mode, connect the nasal cannula for high-flow oxygen therapy. Click Oxygen Therapy. Set oxygen therapy parameters. Click Start Oxygen Therapy. Click the time and date display box in the upper right corner to call up the date-time setting interface. Adjust the time, date, and click Confirm. After the adjustment is completed, click Exit to return to the main page. Monitoring. Click Monitoring Value in the middle of the screen to view all real-time monitoring values. The ventilation interface displays 8 monitoring values by default. Click Settings, System, Screen Layout. Adjust the number of monitoring values in the screen layout setting interface. A maximum of 10 monitoring values can be displayed. Click Monitoring Value in the screen layout setting interface. You can adjust the display monitoring name or the display color of the monitoring value. After the adjustment is completed, click Confirm to return to the main interface. Alarm. This series displays alarm signals with lights and sounds. Alarm lights with front and rear visual angles make it easier for medical staff to take countermeasures quickly. First, the corresponding alarm information will be displayed in the alarm area of the status bar. The ventilation parameters that trigger the alarm will flash. The corresponding parameters in the alarm dialog box will flash. Intelligent alarm management. The alarm level will be distinguished by color. Red is a high-level alarm. Yellow is a medium-level alarm. Blue is a low-level alarm. If multiple alarms occur at the same time, the red emergency alarm will cover other alarms and display first. If the red emergency alarm is no longer activated, it will stay in the alarm record column. When a warning alarm occurs, confirm that the patient has no problems. Check the alarm limit setting. You can click to mute the alarm. The alarm can be muted for 120 seconds. If other alarms occur during the 120 seconds when the alarm is muted, the device will still restart the alarm. Interface of trend and log. This series can view 72-hour trend charts. Save 20,000 traceability records. Trend chart view. Click the lower left corner of the screen. Trend chart log interface. View 72-hour trend chart in the trend chart. You can also choose 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, and other charts. Trend table view. Click the lower left corner of the screen. Gives trend chart and log interface. Gives view 72-hour trend chart in the trend chart. You can also choose 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, and other charts. Log table view. Click the lower left corner of the screen. Trend chart and log interface, log interface. Every operation, every alarm is irregular, all recorded. Cleaning and disinfection. To ensure that all parts operate normally, the equipment should be maintained regularly. Please check the equipment recommendations and maintenance intervals in the maintenance section of the series manual. This video is for reference in daily operation. Please refer to the actual purchased model, configuration, operation, and manual for details. We hope this video provides you a basic understanding about the operation of this series. You can find more detailed information in the series user manual.